There's a curfew in place, but even without it, there's not much to do. The Iraqi capital of Baghdad is locked down because of COVID-19, and the military is keeping watch. In neighboring Iran, there's a second wave of illness. COVID-19 cases have returned to peak levels. Thousands of new infections detected after restrictions were eased. Chile is also experiencing another spike. There's recent uptick in Poland, and in Brazil, infections are climbing unabated.
Although the situation in Europe is improving, globally it's worsening. More than 100,000 cases have been reported on 9 of the past 10 days.
Lockdowns can be incredibly useful in terms of slowing down the spread of the virus, but as we've seen here in the UK, they're also harmful to the economy. In places such as Latin and Central America, which are now hotspots, experts say they just don't have the luxury to shut things down.
We know that Latin America is the most inequitable region in the world and also one of the most urbanized regions in the world. So we have big cities like Rio, Sao Paulo, Lima, in where they are surrounded by belt of poverty and inequities.
It's been 3 months since the virus was declared a pandemic, with continued transmission in some locations and people regaining the ability to move around in others. There will be waves of infection everywhere.
The next 3 months are going to look just like these 3 months. The fact remains, probably in a city like Toronto, maybe 3%, maybe 5% at most of us have been infected with this, which means there's still 95% of the population who have not had it yet.
That leaves all of us keeping our distance, washing our hands, and paying attention to those regionally specific statistics so we're aware of what the virus is doing. Crystal Gamansing, Global News, London.